With their own personality, each influencer has their own story to share, each with their own background, knowledge, and life to live. How much an influencer shares on social media is up to them. Some share every moment, while others only show the picture-perfect moments. But I promise you, behind every photo or video you see, a story comes with it. Many people think an influencer is just a pretty face on camera. But to me, an influencer means more than that. You may know me as PMI Styles on Instagram. And if you know me, I don't usually share personal information on my social channels. But today, I'm gonna be raw, honest, and real. I wanna share with you my story of how I got started with makeup. And it goes back to the main theme of openness. For all the girls out there with conservative parents, this one's for you because I grew up in a household that wore 0% makeup. It was hard for me to take the initial step. I was a freshman in high school. But imagine this, standing in the makeup aisle of the drugstore trying to choose a foundation that you think will match without even knowing what skin type I had or what undertones meant. But soon enough, my curiosity took over and I was slowly trying all types of makeup. And here I am, 8 years later, trying different brands, finishes, and a mix of shades. You never know what will look good on you if you don't try, right? Makeup lets me feel open to choice. It grows my confidence and want to expand my skills. Plus, with social media now, it makes it easier than ever to learn from each other. Everyone is an influencer in their own way. We all have opinions that influence the decisions of others, no matter how big or small. We're all people that share similar interests, which makes it that much more special, knowing that we have a community that cares to listen.